What's the meaning of boiler suit? Boiler suit. Boiler suit.
Boiler suit. Boiler suit. A boiler suit is a one-piece garment that covers the entire body, usually made of heavy-duty fabric such as cotton or denim. It is commonly worn as protective clothing by workers in industries such as mechanics, construction, and engineering. The suit typically has a front opening that extends from the collar to the ankles, with a zipper, buttons, or snaps for closure. It may also have multiple pockets and reinforced knees and elbows for durability. Overall, a boiler suit provides comfort and protection against various hazards in the workplace, making it a practical and versatile piece of clothing.